In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Google AI Studio app into a web app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to aistudio.google.com and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to go ahead and click on the Build tab. Then from here, click onto your apps. And now find your app that you'd like to convert into a web app. So I've got a smart weight loss tracker app that I would like to convert into a web app. So I'm going to click into it. Now we're going to see the preview of your app, and on the left we've got all the prompts so we can make changes, add new features, and ask for anything here like you've been using. Now from here we want to go ahead and publish your apps. On the top right hand corner we've got the publish button, so click onto publish. Then from here we want to go ahead and click onto GitHub. Now you want to sync it to GitHub first. So I've already synced this to GitHub. So if you got Connect GitHub or Connect to, go ahead and go through the process and connecting it. You might need to create a new account as well. So what I'm going to do is click on Sync to GitHub, and now that's going to open up a new tab. So basically GitHub is going to act as a middleman to connect it. Now next is to head on over to Vercel and sign in or create an account. Now from here, we want to go ahead and create a new project. So click on Add New, click on Project. Now on this page here, if it's not already connected, you might need to connect your GitHub repository. So just basically sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to see your GitHub name here, like so. Now basically find that project. So here it is on me. So this weight loss tracker, I want to click on Import. Now here, this is where it's going to create the app. So it's going to say new project, your Vercel team, your project name, application presets. You got more settings here, build and output settings. If you want to change that, you can, and environmental variables. Then from there, you want to go ahead and click on deploy. Now, once you've deployed this, this is going to become a web app.